made it to Tokyo. We're just waiting for our luggage now. Oh, here's mine. And then there's Jericho's. Thanks, babe. I got my luggage, safe and sound. And then, so now we're gonna try to figure out how to get to our hotel using their train system. We just got off our bus. Now we are walking to our hotel. What is that?
Four-story.
Oh, it's Torii. Anyways, it's so awesome here. Oh, shit. It is, yeah, our first day, official day in Tokyo, Japan.
I remember her. I remember her. I remember her.
We did it! We made it all the way to Shibuya.
I remember her. I remember her. I remember her.
So here we are having our first meal at Ube. It's basically like a, what is it called? A conveyor belt sushi restaurant. And we already got our food. Basically what you do is you order your food through those little iPad things and they come out in these conveyor belts. So we're gonna eat and I'll be back later.
I remember her. I remember her. I remember her.
Where are we going?
We're going to a Meiji shrine. How was it? We'll go to Ichiran tomorrow and see how it compares. We just finished Ippudo ramen and it was really good. I thought that the broth was really nice and smooth. There was no grains. I thought the noodles were also really, really good. I wish they were a little bit more al dente, but I think I waited too long to eat because Jericho got his food after me. But overall, it was, I would say, pretty good experience. We're just gonna go to Ichiran tomorrow. Riding the bus to go to Team Lab borderless.
I remember her. I remember her. I remember her. I remember her. I remember her.
got lost a couple times on the train, but we made it.
I remember Hira.
So we just finished our day and we just came back from Akihabara. So on the way there from Tokyo Station, we totally got lost and we had to go turn around, and we took the train going the opposite direction, and we had to go back and find the right direction, and we are so tired and we were so confused, but it was good overall because it was a good experience. I think Jericho got a little bit annoyed because he's tired as well, and we didn't know where we were going, and we weren't checking the Google Maps correctly, and it got really confusing. But otherwise, we found Akihabara. We got a couple stuff there, and now we found our way back to our hotel, which was a lot easier than going to over the back there. So thank God we're here because I'm tired and I'm sweaty. We're going to Tsukiji Market. It is 10 o'clock and it is actually right across our hotel.
I remember Hira. I remember Hira. I remember Hira.
Temple here in Tokyo. That is the temple, and I think they're having a little thing over there in that section, but this area is where you wash your hands and cleanse every, like your hands and your mouth, and then you go up there to offer prayers, but along that main walk is a bunch of little stores and street food, and so we got some shaved ice. So here we are. We're heading off to our dinner. It's gonna be a 3 Michelin star dinner at Sushi Yoshitake. Unfortunately, video recording and pictures are not allowed, but we'll see what we can do. We just finished our meal. I'm so full, I don't think I could eat another bite, but it was the best meal I've ever had. It was 19 courses, and they just make the sushi right in front of you. There was about 8 people in total, and that was it. It was the coolest experience I've ever had, but it was so cool, and now I'm full. Now we're gonna go back to our hotel because we have a really big day tomorrow. We're going to Nikko. We're gonna take the Shinkansen at 8 a.m. and we're gonna be there the whole day. We'll be back at 8 p.m. tomorrow. So we're waiting for our Shinkansen. That one just left, and we are going to Nikko today. Nikko, but we're going to where is it? Where are we going first? What's the Utsunomiya first? We have to be quiet. But this is the green car seat. We are heading to the Shinkyo Bridge right now, and then after that we are going to the Toshogu Shinko Shrine. Here we are under the umbrella because it is raining really hard, but it's really nice out. So here we are. This is where Tokugawa Ieyasu is buried, just through that gate. Tokugawa Ieyasu is the one that founded or started the Tokugawa shogunate, which brought in years of peace for Japan. So this is a really famous landmark for a lot of Japanese people. As you can tell, it's very busy. So that was crazy. We got caught in the rain and it was raining so much, but now it's a lot cooler, so I'm happier. But yeah, I guess it rains a lot here. On our train. I'm exhausted, but I'm so happy we're back. We're going back. Arigatou gozaimasu. So we are now on our way to Kyoto. Here is all our things. And surprise, surprise, I'm sick. We made it! We are gonna go find our way to our hotel. Here we are at Nara Park, where all the deers are just hanging out, walking around. Go. This is for the deers. No, 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 no. This is where they have all of the 1,000 tori gates that people donate and give money for. So we'll show you guys around. Here we are now at Arashiyama Forest, and we are going through the bamboo forest. So we're here at Osaka Castle. It's really hot and I'm sweating. So we're gonna go to Dotonbori and go look for souvenirs. So we are now leaving Osaka. It's gonna be 12 o'clock soon, and we're heading off to Hiroshima. Survived the atomic bomb in 1945. The bomb actually exploded 600 meters up in the sky just above this complex. But this is now a World Heritage Site. back in Incheon. I decided to rent a hotel for us for the night because we got in at 12 a.m. and now we are heading back to the airport to catch our flight for Seattle.